Good evening everyone. Today I will discuss about fill in the blanks of few statements. First one is chemical name of propellant 114 is dash. The answer will be dichlorotetrafluoroethane. In shortcut method, if you add 90 with 114, then you can get 204. Here 2 represents the number of carbon, 0 represents the number of hydrogen and 4 represents the number of fluorine. In the structure given here, 2 carbon is there, therefore it is a methane derivative. 4 fluorine is there and remaining 2 places are occupied by 2 chlorine. So it is dichlorotetrafluoroethane. Next is particle size of aerosol is determined by dash, and it will be cascade impactor or light scattering decay. Next one is blood products are generally dried by dash. The answer will be freeze drying technique or lyophilization technique. You can also write freeze dryer or lyophilizer. Next is high amount of sodium benzoate enhances the solubility of caffeine. This is the example of dash. The answer will be hydrotrophy. It is also a type of solubilization technique. Next is the moisture content of aerosol is determined by dash. The answer will be Karl Fischer technique and gas chromatographic method. Next is give the name of two sweetening agent used in oral solution. The answer will be saccharin and aspartame. You can also write any two of the following like sucrose, liquid glucose, glycerol, sorbitol, etc. Next is sorbitol 70% is used in the cream as humectant in the concentration of dash. The answer will be 3 to 5% W by W. Next is aerosol containers made of aluminium reacts with propellant 11 in presence of ethanol to produce hydrogen gas. 3 more products also obtained in this reaction. These are aluminum chloride, acetyl chloride and propellant 23. This reaction can be prevented by dash. The answer will be anodizing the aluminium with epoxy vinyl coating and adding water to the formula. Next is aspartame is a dash. The answer will be sweetening agent, and it is chemically methyl esters of aspartic acid and phenylalanine. Its sweetening property is 200 times more than that of sucrose. Next is the W by V percentage of simple syrup IP is dash. The answer will be 85%, not 66.67% W by W, because 66.67% is in weight by weight, but here it is W by V, so the answer will be 85%. In a spray type actuator, when the amount of propellant is 50% or less, the product is dispersed as dash. The answer will be stream. Next is methyl paraben and propyl paraben are often used together in the ratio of dash. The answer will be 10:1. Next is surface active agent, that is surfactants, are best solubilizing agents when its HLB value, that is hydrophilic lyophilic valence value, is dash. The answer will be 16 to 20. Next is methyl paraben is highly inactivated in presence of dash. The answer will be 280. That is polyoxyethylene sorbitan esters 80. 80 means monooleate esters. Next is the solubilizer which increases the solubility of testosterone is dash. The answer will be twin. That is again polyoxyethylene sorbitol esters of fatty acids. Next is according to Stokes law, increasing the radius of dispersed globules will dash. The answer will be increase the rate of sedimentation. Next is calamine powder is a mixture of zinc oxide and dash. The answer will be ferric oxide, because in presence of ferric oxide calamine gives a pink color. Next is a suitable example of humectant used in cosmetic preparation is dash. The answer will be glycerol. Next, a suitable example of enteric coating material of tablets is dash. The answer will be cellulose acetate phthalate, that is CAP. Next statement is the maximum weight loss which is considered acceptable after conducting friability test on a tablet sample is. The answer will be 1%. Next is titanium dioxide is used as a dash. The answer will be UV protective or opacifying agent used in sunscreening cream. Next is approximate volume capacity of capsule size 000 is dash. Capsule size 000 is the highest size of capsule, and the answer will be 1.37 ml. If it is in weight, then it will be 950 milligram. Next is the trade name microcrystalline cellulose. Trade name of microcrystalline cellulose is dash. The answer will be Avicel. Here Avicels are of two types, Avicel pH 101 which is in powder form and Avicel pH 102 which is in granular form. Next is unequal distribution of color in a tablet is known as dash. The answer will be mottling. Next is vanishing cream is an example of dash type. The answer will be O by W, that is oil in water. Thank you for your watching.